Welcome to the Learning Studio, your go-to place to understand the world one subject at a time. You've just landed on the very first video of our brand new law series. In today's lecture, we'll explore a fundamental question. What exactly is the field of law, and why should you care about it? You can watch the entire playlist by clicking the link below in the video description. Let's begin. Law isn't just about courtrooms, lawyers in suits, or dramatic TV shows. Law is the invisible structure behind every society. It governs how we live, how we work, how we marry, buy, sell, drive, vote, and even how we disagree. Law is the system of rules enforced by institutions to regulate behavior, settle disputes, and protect rights. But it's more than rules. It's the guardian of justice, fairness, and peace. So why do people study it? Today, around 6% of students worldwide choose law as their primary academic path. That's because law is not just a profession, it's a perspective. It teaches you to think critically, argue logically, and understand the structures that shape human civilization. Some study law to become lawyers or judges. Others pursue it to enter politics, journalism, business, diplomacy, or activism. And some simply want to understand how the system works, before the system works them. Law in the past was power. Kings ruled by decree. Wars were justified through legal loopholes. Over centuries, law evolved from royal commands to democratic constitutions, from oral traditions to complex legal codes. In the present, law governs everything. Digital rights, climate change, artificial intelligence, global trade, social media, and more. And in the future, law will decide how we manage technologies we haven't even invented yet. So what will this playlist offer you? A clear, structured, and engaging journey through the 30 core disciplines of law. From criminal law to human rights, from contract law to cyber law, from constitutional law to environmental law. We'll explain each topic with real-life examples, famous cases, simple explanations, historical background, future relevance. Whether you're a student thinking about pursuing law, a teacher looking for fresh content, or just a curious mind who wants to understand society better, this series is for you. And why should you watch this playlist before joining law school? Because law school can be overwhelming. Legal language, complex theories, dense textbooks, it's easy to get lost. This playlist gives you a head start. By the time you begin formal studies, you'll already know the key terms, major branches, and why each area matters. You won't just memorize laws, you'll understand their logic. So hit subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and explore the world of law with us, one video at a time. This is just the beginning. Welcome to the Law Series. This is the Learning Studio, where your journey into justice begins.